In this video, we will go over something very important, how to put on PPE or personal protective equipment. If you dental assistant, hygienist or dentist, using PPE correct way will keep you and your patients safe. Let's go through it step by step. Please watch this video till the end, because at the end I want to show my best trick how to put gloves on wet or sweaty hands.
Before touching any PPE, start with proper hand hygiene. Wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, or use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Next, put on your gown. Make sure it covers your torso from neck to knees, arm and wrists, and wrap it around at the back. Tie it securely at the neck and waist. Now it's time for your mask. For surgical mask, place it over your nose and mouth. Secure it behind your ears and pinch the nose piece to fit snugly. Protect your eyes with goggles or face shield. Place them over your eyes or face and adjust for secure fit. Make sure there are no gaps between the eyewear and your face. Finally, put on your gloves. Put them over your wrists and make sure they cover the cuffs of your gown to ensure full coverage. You're now fully protected and ready for patient care.
And remember, removing PPE is important as putting it on.
Working in dental office can be very hard, and sometimes after you wash your hands, they can be still damp or wet. Here's my trick how to put them on when your hands are wet or sweaty. If your hands are wet, you try to thumb first and then do rest of the fingers.
And if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.